Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a field technician would manage a visit while they are on site. It is important to know where to go in order to find certain information, take notes, and add materials as you go throughout the visit. Knowing how to manage these aspects of a visit will ensure that the visit information is accurate and can be billed correctly once it's been completed. If you haven't already, please review Field App Setup and Field App Start of Day/dispatching. Once you have arrived on site, tap Arrive to begin tracking your crew's time on site. To review additional information regarding the visit or property, tap the Info button. Within Info, the work order description will be displayed, which will give the tech additional information about what they need to do while on site. The tech can tap on the top right corner to open up another menu within the Info section. Once selected, more information will be displayed. Work Description is a description of the work needed for the visit. Site Notes are additional notes regarding the site. Security are notes regarding how to access the site. Special Notes are notes that would have automatically popped up when initially going to the job. History displays basic history information of previous jobs at the property. User Defined shows a list of all user-defined information. Once the technician has finished reviewing the information, tap the back arrow on the top left until you get back to the Visit Details screen with the property address. While the technician is completing the work, they will need to keep track of the various parts and materials they are using in order for the customer to be billed accurately and for inventory to be accounted for. From the Visit Details page, tap the Materials button to see a list of material categories to select from. Once within the appropriate category, then select the specific part or material the visit requires. Once the material has been selected, the technician can adjust the quantity of how much of the material was used and then tap OK. If the technician has permissions to view the pricing, they will also be able to do so here, and again, if they have permissions, potentially adjust for a price override. As the technician, you may need to add notes or remarks throughout the visit. To do so, tap Remarks from the Visit Details page. Users are provided the option to either add their own note manually or select from a list of pre-created common remarks by tapping Canned Remarks. If the technician needs to pause the visit for any reason, they may do so via the Visit Details screen by tapping Pause. This function might be used to allow for bathroom breaks or grabbing missing parts. When ready, the technician will simply tap Resume to continue the visit. The technician is also able to tap Review at any time to see their time on site. If the company or technician permissions allow, they will also be able to review the total amount the customer will be billed and the ability to override the price if necessary. From the Visit Details screen, technicians can also access the property menu at the top right of the screen. If assessments are set up, they can review those by tapping Assessments. To complete the assessment, answer the list of questions and then tap Done once all information is complete. Within this menu, the technician is also able to view or add any attachments associated with the property by tapping Attachments. In the next video, we will cover the steps the technician would take when they are ready to finish a visit.